Our purpose-built storage facility has a capacity for 300 vehicles over 3 floors. And with our state-of-the-art security system, you'll know Country Car Vehicle Storage is taking the very best possible care of your car. Conveniently but discreetly located with electric security gates and access control, our storage centre boasts a full coverage alarm system and high-definition beam-activated cameras covering every angle of the facility and surrounding site. The cameras and alarm are monitored 24 hours a day and utilise face recognition and motion tracking technology for maximum security. At CCVS, you can store your vehicle safely in the knowledge that it will be securely protected with us.